Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to uninstall Panda Antivirus completely, even if some files or features seem hidden. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings, then click Apps and select Apps and Features. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Panda Antivirus. Click on it and select Uninstall, then follow the on-screen instructions. After the initial uninstallation, some Panda files may remain. To remove them, download the Panda Removal tool from the official Panda Security website. Run the tool and follow the prompts to clean any hidden files, services, and registry entries. Once the removal process is complete, restart your computer. This ensures all leftover components are fully deleted. For extra cleanup, check C:"Program Files and C:"Program Files open parenthesis x86, close parenthesis for any remaining Panda folders and delete them. You can also run the Windows Disk Cleanup tool to remove temporary files. Finally, check your browser extensions or system tray for any leftover Panda features and remove them manually if needed. By following these steps, you can completely uninstall Panda Antivirus from your PC, even hidden components, and restore your system. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.